guys, I'm Varun and today we're going to be baking a cake. So today's cake is not going to be a regular chocolate or vanilla cake. It's going to be a cinnamon and coffee cake, and we're going to be flavoring the cake with some espresso, and then we're going to be flavoring it with some cinnamon powder, and then we're going to be baking it. And it's a very easy cake that does not require any kind of glaze or any kind of topping. I mean, if you want to serve it with some cream cheese dressing, that's totally up to you. So let's check out this recipe.